Good morning, friend, and I'm Nikmatunia. As a lecturer in the final project methodology subject, I am Jupiter Azhar from Accounting. Will be present my final assignment proposal entitled Income Tax and Planning for More Time on Educational Foundation, PT ABC Semarang. Indonesia very concerned about the development of education, which in the Indonesian State Budget Law number 14 of 2015, Article 20, Paragraph 2 of the education sector budget allocation is 20%. You look on the picture. The high budget allocation for education has attracted the private sector to take part in the established education business. In a business entity has the obligation to report SPT either periodically or annually, even to educational foundation in their established or non-profit institution. They still have an obligation to calculate the tax received by employees. Foundation in tax reporting have difference with other business entity in Article 4, Paragraph 3, letter M of the Income Tax Law. The remaining educational foundation are not tax object. With this understanding, it's necessary to plan and calculate good tax reporting in educational foundation. Next, I will explain about formulation of the problem. How does ABC Education Foundation tax reporting, both for reporting periodic tax return and reporting annual tax return? And the second, how can the implementation of tax planning at ABC Education Foundation be implemented? The purpose of the research to find out the reporting of ABC Education Foundation income tax in the reporting of periodic tax return and annual tax return, and to find out the implementation of tax planning at ABC Educational Foundation that can be applied in the following year. In this third chapter, I will explain the overview and research method. Tax Consultant X Office Profile. The Tax Consultant X Office is located at Bailey Street number 6, Semarang, and has 5 staff employees. Research methodology. Type of data. First, primary data. Primary data is data obtained directly from the source and data has not been processed by other parties. Primary data include profile data and office structure of tax consultant X. Secondary data that is obtained from existing source or is data that has gone through management and editing from third parties so that it is not obtained directly from the source. The data include the financial report and annual tax return from the ABC Foundation. Method of collecting data. First, observation method. The observation method is a method that does not only access the attitude of the source of respondent, it can be used to access the activities or condition in which the research occurs. The second, interview method. Interview were conclude with Mr. Steffi and several staff employees to be able to more clearly know the problem case in the final report, and also to be able to request the data need by the author for the preparation of this report. The third, literature method. The library method is a method used to collect important data of information from topic or problem that form the basis of research. Or data analysis method. In this field work practice report, the author analyzes the data using two methods. First, quantitative descriptive method is a method of analyzing data expressed in number. The author used this method to calculate the take profit or loss statement in the ABC Foundation as a basis for finding the access that the foundation received. The second, qualitative descriptive method. Qualitative descriptive method is a method of analyzing data expressed in non-numeric form. In this study, the author used a qualitative descriptive method to find out how the ABC Educational Foundation is taxed and its correct application in accordance with the provision based on applicable law. So that is the proposal presentation from me. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.